Hello, old irons. Put on this makeup today. Let's apply a little wet compress to relieve the swelling. Okay, take it off, take it off. Put on contact lenses first. It's such a depressing contact lens. Then we'll still use my new one, this bubble mask. We give it a rub. Let it absorb and become a slightly sticky texture. Let's now cover the dullness of the eyes and lips. Salmon concealer. Gently spread in a dark place. I will never get tired. I hope that you're my next, okay? Then come with liquid foundation. Use Man today. I'm going to buy a O2 today to mix and use. Completely did not mix the two of them. In fact, it is the most perfect color number to mix. It's just that sometimes I'm too lazy. Rebrush it evenly on the face. Then pat it open with a puff. Still perfect cream muscle. Brighten up our tear grooves with brighter colors. There are also eyebrow bones at the bottom of the notes. Use an eyebrow brush like this. Dip in brown eyebrow powder. First trace an overall slender eyebrow shape. Okay, then we use another water eyebrow. Pen to trace some hair flu. Enhance the overall shape. Just use the back one a little bit. Caramel colored eyebrow cream. Bronze trim painted on the outline. Yeah, the whole day. Then we use Hot Memory Liquid Blush. This is a large range of paintings for color 3 on the face. Give overall color. Adjust the foundation. It's one of those oatmeal nude oranges. Then come to stick double eyelids. I posted a small opening fan here. Oh, beautiful eyelashes. Want to make double eyelids wider? I zoom tree. Brown eyeliner. Connect the upper eyelids and eyelashes first, then draw the shape on the front. Probably so, and then cut off the part of the eye and trace the eyelashes. Change a small brush to iron the root of the hair. Same on the other side. Then eyeliner. Pull back along the end of the eye. After setting the position, you can trace. Just draw him a long triangle on it. Dip it in grayish brown and look at the eyes. Brighten up with this brightening pen. The fine glitter of champagne gold brushes him on the shit. Out the nose. Just feign in place. Also draw less on the nose, eyelids, and chin. Platinum highlights brighten the eyes. You can brush it along the eye socket in here. A white peach liquid highlight. Dip with puff. Lip liner close to the skin tone should be primed first. Then trace the outline of the lips with meat paint. I used a nude waterlight lipstick first. It's a bit bland, so I used the multi-purpose stick just now. Trace the edge. Apricot pink blush liquid, stack it again. Rose pink lip gloss, stack it up a little bit. Okay, almost there. Let's get a hair.